Good morning, students. From our birth, we are surrounded by various pathogens. They try to attack on our body. Some of them are successful. They enter in our body and causes diseases. So let's start chapter number 2, Health and Diseases. In this, what happens exactly when we become sick? Actually, every disease have their own symptoms. That means they are different symptoms. In general, when we become sick, there is a disturbance in the normal health. There is body pain. One may get fever, headache or cough and cold. You may feel weakness. We may get uncomfortable feelings. Sometimes we feel good even without taking any medicines, and sometimes we need to consult doctor and take regular medicines in sickness. Why is it so? It is because some diseases are not too serious and are not caused by very harmful pathogens. We can treat it by household remedies, and also our immune system is strong enough to fight against them and protect us. But some harmful organisms when enters our body, our immune system is unable to fight against them. Thus, doctors' advice and treatment required. With doctors' advice, consultation, and regular medicines, we get relief. Let's see what is meant by health. Health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-beingness, and not merely the absence of any disease. Let's see meaning of it. Physical means our body is fit and fine. Mental means our mental health is good. Okay. In our mind there should be more positive thoughts. Here social well-beingness means the relationship with our community or society, how we interact with them. It's all about the health. Disease condition of disturbances in physiological or psychological processes of body is called as disease. Each disease has its own specific symptoms. That means different disease have different symptoms. Let's say meaning of disease. Okay, physiological means normal functioning of living organisms and parts, and is a psychological means mental and emotional state. Types of diseases. You must have heard the names of various diseases like asthma, common cold, diabetes, Down syndrome, heart diseases. The reasons and symptoms of all these diseases are different. To bring coordination in scientific study of diseases, diseases are classified as follows. So, flowchart types of diseases are actually classified according to duration and according to reasons. So, according to duration, diseases are classified into two categories, that is chronic disease and acute disease. The chronic disease is a disease that persists over a long period of time. Example asthma, TB, cancer, etc. Whereas acute disease means it is for a short period of time like cold, fever, etc. and it does not causes major effect. According to reasons, diseases are classified into two categories, that is hereditary disease and acquired disease. Hereditary disease means the disease which transfer from parent to offsprings. For example, Down syndrome. Second, acquired diseases. they are classified into two categories, that is infectious disease. Example, common cold, flu, dengue. Next, non-infectious diseases. Example, diabetes, heart diseases.